Hi everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I have an introductory video. Yeah, it's like everybody else does, introducing their helping hand. Huh? Okay, so this is what I have here. And yeah, okay, so you're looking at her 4 fingers with the nail tips that I put on her. She might be new to some of you, she might not be quite new to some. Because, okay, so I have to tell you about her. Her name is Skinner. Yeah. So if you guys remember, I'm about to reveal who she really is or was. Do you guys remember her? Scully, Real Scully came to join me in around October last year, and I'll put some clips or some pictures so you guys remember. Yeah, so I thought to keep with that X-Files theme, she has somewhat evolved into from being a bony skull, so not a bony hand, to somehow getting skin on her fingers. So hey, her name is now Skinner. And I thought it was hilarious. So I hope you guys are having fun with this. This is her thumb. I had to show Melinda because if you Melinda Conley from Beauty Bee Nails, her channel, I will have her linked down below, as well as where we got these fingers. If you remember, she said, well, she did a haul on some of the items that she got from AliExpress. And these fingers, let me go ahead and remove the thumb. It'd be the easiest. I went ahead and removed the thumb. These fingers are a set of practice fingers that you can buy on AliExpress. I will have the link that link down below as well, for under $5. And yes, they have holes on the back, and that's what we figured. None of us, we cannot figure out or find a way that we don't have not found a stand or a holder for these fingers by the same seller or different ones. And I remember Scully. I remember her bony fingertips. Where's her thumb? Right here. And I said, let me try and see if her fingers fit. Sure enough, it's a perfect fit. Oh my gosh, and we've been having fun with this. So here's her, this is the thumb, and they are numbered. So the thumb is, let's see if I find it here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it because it's like barely, see how you barely see that crease right there and the knuckle wrinkles. So they're numbered 1 through 5, starting with the thumb. So you'll know which order they go. And I'm kind of jealous because she's the same nail tip size as I am. And I was hoping that they will probably be bigger so that we wouldn't have to compete against each other with those nail tips. But nonetheless, yeah, now I'm gonna have to be like very careful. And I was even thinking, okay, I'm gonna be frugal with this and put latex on these nails before I put in any polish, so I can peel them off and she can keep the same one. But I'm giving her the solid color one, so I can use, if I want to use tips of my nails, I'd use the clear ones. But this goes, let me show you how I put this. Is with that same tacky that you know, tacky putty thing that we use for other stands. But see how the nails are built right there? It has a little bit of a cavity there, so you can push the tips, but just pressing the tips there on their own, it's not enough to hold them in place. And that's why you want to use something like that tacky thing to keep the nails in place. And you can either use them on their own, you know, when you're working on these. And this is acetone safe, so I've already had to do some cleanup. So this type of rubber thing, it's safe with acetone. It doesn't get damaged or anything like that. But take a look. Skinny Mini, as Melinda calls her. I'm looking forward to playing with her. And I've already, so like I said, I have already done some testing. She's a little stiff. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try. I'm gonna pay a visit to between the hardware store and the hobby store. We're gonna try to find a way to invent some kind of come up with some kind of holder for these fingers where we have the flexibility of bending them and spreading them apart. Yeah, this skeleton hand, I don't know why I keep saying skulls, but this skeleton hand is obviously not ideal. It's very stiff, and the fingers between these two, there was quite a bit of space. For working on it was perfect, it was just fine. But to show it here and give her somewhat of a decent modeling position there, I use these wire tie bags to kind of hold her fingers in place and show you guys. But yeah, guys, so we were cracking up over this, wanted to share what fun we've been having. And so Scully has evolved from being a bony hand to a skinny mini Skinner. And her name is now Miss Skinner. I'll just call her Skinner. That is all, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.